random. Good morning, Rob. It is mine. It is mine. Yeah, that's Scott right there.
I love this being it's been great to me.
Here it is, guys. Here we go, Detectable 2019. We're here, we're getting ready to go. It's gonna be a great day. Everybody's lined up, ready to hit these fields. So many metal detectors here. This place is packed with detectorists, YouTubers, all the like. We're gonna have a great day. Look who it is. It's Dennis and Andrew, Alex.
That's good. Yeah, it does go through left already. That's good.
Alright guys, first hole of Detectable. Let's see what we got. It rang up in 18. And I can't find it. Oh, there it is. Here we go. First hole, a detective hole, is a button. Still has a shank on it, but alright. Not a bad first find for this place, so we're going to keep going and hopefully get something good out of here. I'll keep you guys posted. See you on the next one. Alright, next up is this piece of lead. Looks like a musket ball, possibly. Pretty bad shape, but not bad. We'll move on. Alright, first good find I found. Nice thimble. A little broken right here. But, oops. It is a thimble. It's pretty nice too. Definitely take that. Alright, moving on. Alright, I think I found my first coin of Detectable. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. Let's pull it out and find out. Looks like a half penny. Victorian. Cool. Victorian half penny. It's in pretty good condition. I think that's Vicky. Oh, you know what? It's an Elizabeth. Elizabeth halfpenny. So not as old as I thought. 1955. Take that. First coin of Detectable. Alright. Moving on. Alright, second coin of Detectable. Right here. Bit toasted. Can't see what's on it. Looks like a George the Third, maybe. Can't really tell. See a little bit of the bust on there, but I'll have to clean it up later. I'm on a mission right now though, so moving on. See you at the next one, guys. Dang, guys, I think I just found a ring. See it right here? Look at that. That's definitely a ring, isn't it? Looks like a ring to me. Oh yeah. Nice. Happy with that one. Have to clean it up and see if I can get anything off of the inside maybe. But it's not silver or anything, but it is a ring. I believe. No, you know what? Never mind. It looks like a plumbing fitting actually. Alright, moving on. Alright guys, I made it all the way to field 4. It was a long walk to get here. First target is a massive coin. Look at the size of this thing. Probably won't get much off of it, but man, it's a big coin. Sheesh. It's thick. It's probably some George the Third coin or something. But pretty good first signal in this field. I'm gonna stay on this field probably all day, depending on how it treats me, but so far so good. Alright guys, moving on. It's been a while since I had a signal, but I just had this come up. I believe it's the top of one of those tobacco holders from the medieval days. I have a couple other ones that are designed differently than this, but yeah, interesting bit anyway. Not really having much luck. Can't seem to be walking in the right spots, but still enjoying myself. A lot of people here. It's just one of the fields. Oh, there's like 31 fields, I think. Too much land, really. But we'll see on the next one. Well, if all I'm gonna get is musket balls, I might as well record them. Another one right here. It's probably the 6th or 7th one I've dug up. Alright, keep moving on here. There's gotta be more here. See you on the next one, guys. Alright, good morning. Day 2, Detectival 2019. Today the fields that are open are a long walk away. We're talking 2 miles probably. I gotta walk right now. Didn't go to bed until late last night. It was a really rough day yesterday. Long night last night. And it's gonna be a freaking long day today. I'm gonna detect till about 3 o'clock. And then I need to head back over here and see if I won the raffle and head on home. 3-hour drive home, so I gotta leave probably by 4 o'clock. I already broke down camp. Camp's already broken down, so I pretty much get my car and go. But The way I'm feeling right now, I feel like a damn freight train ran me over last night. Backed up, ran me over again. Backed up, ran me over one more time. But anyway, hopefully the fields are a little better today. Supposed to be some new fields that haven't been detected by these large groups of people, and we'll see how we get on. So here we go, day 2, Detectable 2019. We'll see at the first hole is worth a go. First decent find of day 2, Tom bag button. All right, moving on. All right, next find, guys, is another button. It's got some nice design on it. Yeah, it's not bad. Hopefully we'll get a coin. Hammered coin would be nice. I just seen one come up that it was cut half that is actually broken in half again. So it was cut half broken down to a quarter. So anyway, there's a lot of people here. It took me a long time to walk down to this field, and it's already full of people. So hopefully we'll get at least one good find today. Like I said earlier, I'm pretty tired, and it's hard to stay motivated, but hopefully I get a coin and get some motivation back. And we'll definitely keep you updated. See you on the next one. Alright, so I had a great time at Detectable and met a lot of people. Unfortunately, I'm not really the person to go and take pictures with everybody. I don't know if I just don't feel comfortable doing so or whatever, but I had a great time. I met a lot of people, and I'll definitely go back again just for the social event, really. But this is everything that I collected. I didn't really get much. Like I said, I didn't go around too much and look for all the freebies, but you know, you get this bag when you enter. It comes with this little finds bag here, but with some paperwork and the map of all the land that was available. Blue was on Sunday, purple was on Saturday, red you don't go in, yellow is where we camped, green is where the vendors were and everybody, and blue is the entrance, or I guess blue is a detecting field. But anyway, yeah, not much going on there. I didn't even put my camping permit sticker on my window. Pretty funny. I did get a couple freebies, I guess you could say. You know, Andy from Extreme Metal Detecting, guys, I would definitely go check out his channel. He just hit over 300 subscribers, and if you guys could go help him grow his channel a little bit, you know, show him a little support. Puts out some great videos and always has some great finds. Extreme Metal Detecting UK, definitely worth checking out. Great guys. I did talk to them for a little bit. Right before I left is when I finally found them, but they gave me this little finds container, and very happy with it. Hopefully it'll bring me some good luck. Andy, if you're watching, thank you very much. I am definitely going to put some use to that, and I really appreciate it. Great catching up with you, Andy. Then I got this spray bottle from North of the Tyne Detecting. They got a Facebook page, and he's not a YouTuber, but Scotty was his name. Really cool guy. Met him Saturday night over by the bonfire. Gave me and my other friend a spray bottle. Pretty cool. Jackie Smith Metal Detecting, one of the first YouTubers I met there. They were camped right down, I guess, campground for me. But really cool. She has a great YouTube channel as well. Definitely go check that out, guys. Her and Jet Ski John both have great channels. Those are the only 2 stickers I got. Probably just because I wasn't really there for exchanging stickers and everything. I did bring stickers and I handed some of mine out, but I just really was there just to check it out and have a good time. This patch is really cool. I like that. Came with the Mind Lab bag that we got. It also came with this. I'm gonna hold on to that. I thought about maybe doing a giveaway when I hit 500, adding that to my 500 subscriber giveaway, but I think I'm gonna hold on to that. I really like that. As far as my finds in Detectable went, pretty much everything came from Saturday except for the buttons. I believe, if I remember correctly. I ended up getting 10 musket balls, which is definitely my record. I never got 10 musket balls in one day, but those all came from one day. I didn't record many of them just because when you pull out musket ball after musket ball, it's kind of like showing pull tab after pull tab. But yeah, 10 musket balls really surprised me. I did get these buttons here. This one's got a little bit of design on it. It's just a little half a button, and it fits right in this one, but this was found in a totally different area. This is the bottom part of a two-piece button. So it's almost like they go together, but they definitely don't. You know, the 4-hole button, 2 tiny tom back buttons without a shank. I got a thimble. Pretty happy with that one, considering how I was on fines. The top of a tobacco canister, medieval. I was happy when I pulled that out that it wasn't another musket ball actually. And the coins I got was this cartwheel penny. Pretty toasted. You can barely see the rim around it, but due to its size, its thickness, its weight, and that rim, it's obviously a cartwheel penny. I was happy with that one. That's probably the best find of the day, or the weekend for me. 1955 half penny. Nothing real special about that. And this one here is probably a Georgian half penny or something. Of course, it's really bad too. And this thing here I thought was a ring at first, but it's clearly one of those parts of a plumbing fitting or some kind of pipe fitting piece. Yeah, that's it. Not much in finds for me. I had a wonderful time. I met some amazing people. I did get a couple cool bags. I might put them in a giveaway. Just because I'm not sure what I'll do with them. Maybe somebody else can find some use for them. They're definitely usable. Those are just my losing tickets and my entry ticket. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I know I didn't have the best video for Detectable, but I honestly don't know how to produce something yet on such a large scale with so much to capture. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, give me a like, hit that thumbs up button, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And I got a lot of footage saved up. I need to put some videos together that they'll be rolling out here within the next week or so. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys, if you ever get the chance to go to Detectable, you take it up. It's not all about the finds. The social aspect is amazing. Alright, have a great day, guys.